Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G52, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application, and then here on the search pool enter the Ampere, and now we should get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now here you'll see the information with the temperature of our device battery. In our case that's 31 degrees. Also here you can find more information like the device model, Android version, or just battery health, capacity, voltage, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.